Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Audi A4. This car have a problem, AC not working. Okay, AC not working. Here everything is okay, but when I check compressor, see the top gas is there full. That's the problem. Today I will show you what is the problem and why AC is not working. Okay, first we check with our diagnosis tool, control unit, air conditioner, trouble code. In air conditioner system there is too much for vehicle electronics system control module and sensor, refrigerant and pressure sensor, everything. There is no communication. Pressure sensor no communication, and the electronic control module everything is fault. So I think there is some fuse issue or something electrical problem. So first we need to check car every fuse. So here remove this cover and check this AC fuse, uh, air conditioner. See 12 number. This is for AC. This one. Check. Check this fuse. This is for AC. Oh, it means this fuse damage. See, and that's the problem. Now I replace AC fuse. See, see now AC working perfect. Okay, great success. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.